Hello, hi, welcome to Computer Tips and Tricks Class 1. Today I am going to teach you how to change the background image on the desktop of a Windows 7 system as a screensaver with multiple images which shuffles at certain amount of time. Uh, I will show you my desktop. This is my desktop, which is a plain colored desktop. Nothing is there on the desktop. If I want to make this desktop as a screensaver, as we all know, screensaver is nothing but when the system is at idle state or when we are not using the system, then some pictures will shuffles for a certain amount of time, like 5 seconds or 10 seconds each. For every 5 seconds or for every 10 seconds, image will roll over with another image. That kind of technology is called screensaver. So today I'm using a Windows 7 operating system. This is Windows 7 operating system. In this Windows 7 operating system, I will show you how to put some wallpapers, I call some images, as a screensaver on the desktop itself. So I have collected some images. These are some images. I will show you. These all are some images I have collected and have kept all these images in a folder called wallpaper. This is the folder name, wallpapers. So name it as wallpaper and cut it. I am taking this folder and I'm going to place this in pictures library. We have a library, pictures library. I will take it pictures library and I will paste this folder in the pictures library. Now I will be back to the desktop again. It's a small tip to get or switch to desktop. Instead of using alt tab, directly we can click on this right corner, show desktop. By this way also we can reach our desktop very easily. Now we have taken some images and we have kept that images in a folder and we named the folder name as wallpaper, and that wallpaper folder was kept in pictures library. Now I'm going to change this entire blue screen to some beautiful screensaver images which will shuffle for every 10 seconds. It will change with another image. Now to do that, we just right click on the desktop, go to personalize and click desktop background here, down here, and select pictures library and click browse. It will open a pop-up window and select the folder my pictures. In that, select wallpapers and press OK. Now wallpapers is selected. So here we have an option to select all the images which are right available in the wallpapers folder, or we can select some our user defined images also. I will clear all one and I will check this one. I want this image to be on my screensaver, and I want this to be on my screensaver, and I want this to be on my screensaver. I'm selecting only three. If you want all the entire images, then you can select all. Now picture position, this fill, select fill, because if in case the image is very small, even though this picture position will automatically make that small image to a bigger version which will fit the small image to the entire screen of the screensaver. So I suggest you to take fill and make it as 10 seconds and make it as shuffle. If there are a number of images, make it as shuffle instead of getting line by line, one by one. If you want randomly, if you want to see some images, then click shuffle and press save changes. Close it and come back to desktop. See, now we have some images here on the desktop. It automatically changes for every 10 seconds. Now we are on the desktop, automatically changes images. This is the third image, and the next image will be pop up in few seconds, like 4 3 1. These are the images. That's all. This is the way how we can change the empty or a simple background image to a modern graphical screensaver. Thanks for watching. Please comment on my video. If you have any queries, please comment. And thanks for watching. My name is Anil.